there, this is John of Art. I'm doing my exercise for today, and that is a walk here at the track and field. Pasit and I are practicing a social distancing. So there she is. She's doing her walking too, and she's wearing her mask. Okay, for some Ilonggo words. Puli? Not yet. Okay. Pasit mentioned about puli. Puli means to go home. So she's asking if mapuli na kita or to go home. Mapuli. Puli is going home. But mapuli is to go home. Like looking forward to going home. Mapuli ka na? Mauna ka lang? Isa pa? Mapuli na siya. Oh. Well, okay. Okay, so Pasit is tired already. She wants to go home. Mapuli na siya. Mauna ka na lang? Sige, malibot pa ko di kay isa. Okay, bye-bye! So, she's there. Mauna na lang siya. Meaning, when you say mauna is to go ahead. Una is first or to be first in whatever. So when you say mauna is to be the first to go or to go ahead. So she wants to go home ahead of me. So mauna na lang siya. Mauna puli. Okay. So those are a few words in Ilonggo. Great timing. I still want to do one more round. So, isa pa ka libot. So, one round, libot is round. One more round. One reason why we got out was that there's a brownout. So, what is a brownout? That's a power outage. Very common here. So, okay, there was a brownout. It was very warm inside, very humid. It was like a sauna. So I was sweating all over, sweating like a pig. And we decided to go out, magwa. Nagwa kami. We went out for a walk. So nagwa kami para maglakat-lakat in order to walk. So wow, this is the ground. And that's the sky, langit, and duta, the earth. Okay, I think that's too much to learn for now. So, maybe time for me to go home too. Uli na ko. Uli na kita. We go home. If I'm referring to myself, uli na ko. So, I go home. This is Joan of Art, and see you in our next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Let's do more. Let's learn Ilonggo.